Hey friends, welcome to Raza Edu World. There are so many facts of India which you all don't even know. So today we are going to learn 23 interesting facts about India. Before starting the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's begin with our video. Fact number 1. The name India is derived from river Indus, the valleys around which were the home of the early settlers. The Aryan worshippers referred to the river Indus as a Sindhu. Fact number 2. Chess, the popular board game, was invented in India. Fact number 3. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus are studies which originated in India. Fact number 4. The place value system and the decimal system were developed in India in 100 BC. Fact number 5. India never invaded any country from last 1 lakh years of history. Fact number 6. The world's first granite temple is the Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. The shikhara of the temple is made from a single 80-ton piece of granite. They took 5 years to build this magnificent temple. Fact number 7. India is the largest democracy in the world, the seventh country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilizations. Fact number 8. India was one of the richest countries till the time of British rule in the early 17th century. Christopher Columbus, attracted by India's wealth, had come looking for a sea road to India when he discovered America by mistake. Fact number 9. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. According to his calculation, the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun was 365.258756484 days. Fact number 10. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician Budhayana, and he explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagoras theorem. Fact number 11. The largest employers in India is the Indian Railways, employing over a million people. Fact number 12. The world's highest cricket ground is in Chail, Himachal Pradesh, built in 1893 after leveling a hilltop. This cricket pitch is 2444 meters above sea level. Fact number 13. The game of snakes and ladders was created by the 13th century poet Saint Gyandev. It was originally called Moksha Path. The ladders in the game represented virtues and the snakes indicated vices. The game was played with cowrie shells and dice. In time, the game underwent several modifications, but its meaning remained the same. That is, good deeds take people to heaven and evil to a cycle of rebirths. Fact number 14. The art of navigation and navigating was born in the river Sindh over 6,000 years ago. The very word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navgati. The word navy is also derived from the Sanskrit word now. Fact number 15. India has the largest number of post offices in the world. Fact number 16. The world's first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC. More than 10,500 students from all over the world studied more than 60 subjects. The University of Nalanda, built in the 4th century, was one of the greatest achievements of ancient India in the field of education. Fact number 17. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Charaka, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago. Fact number 18. India is the only country to have an entire ocean named after it, that is, Indian Ocean. Fact number 19. The number of people traveling in Indian railways is roughly 25 million per day. which is like shifting the entire population of Australia. Fact number 20. India has the second largest road network in the world after the US. Fact number 21. Developed in 1972, Navi Mumbai, a planned satellite township of Mumbai, is the largest planned township on the planet. Fact number 22. The Bailey Bridge, located in the Ladakh Valley between the Dras and Suru rivers in the Himalayan mountains, is the highest bridge in the world. It was built by the Indian Army in August 1982. Fact number 23. Malayalam, a language spoken in the state of Kerala, is the longest palindrome of world. So friends, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.